Welcome back to Cars R Us, and today I'm in a C40 recharge. So right now, what I'm going to show you is the one pedal drive. So first, let's make sure we have one pedal drive on. You go to your settings, you go to driving, and then there we go, one pedal drive. So it's on. So with one pedal drive, let me move my leg out the way, you don't have to put your feet on the brake. Right now, the car is in drive, but my feet is not on the brake. So now, let me show you. And the car is moving. The car is moving. It's not moving very fast because I'm pulling out of the parking lot, but it is moving. I'm showing you that the car is moving, and now I'm taking my feet, and the car just stopped. Feet back on the gas. And the reason why I like one pedal driving is because it saves on your battery range, and it also saves on your brakes. So I'm giving it some gas, and we're moving. Take my feet off the gas, and we're at a stop. That's one pedal drive. That's available on the C40 Recharge, and also the XC40 Recharge. Thank you for watching, and if this video was any help, hit the like and subscribe button.